Hi guys, this is Marty. Welcome back to my channel, Ralayla Creates. I thought I'd bring another haul video to you. Went to Hobby Lobby yesterday, and they still have their 50% off Paper Studio Blowout, and so I picked up just a couple of things, and then I found a few other items in the store I thought I'd share with you. First, this piece of vellum, just music sheet vellum. It was 99 cents, but because of the sale, it was only 50 cents. And they're having a huge sale. So if you need papers, I would suggest going on over there. The next thing I got, and I'd seen several people haul this. It's the Mermaid Dreams Pack. And it's by the Paper Studio as well. And I just thought it was absolutely gorgeous. Paper is fabulous, and it's got the cutouts and a little bit of bling. Here are the cutouts. Sorry for the glare. Here are the cutouts that come in the pack, and then you have an alphabet and some stickers, and these are the papers. It's just a very beautiful kit. I'm not really a mermaid girl, but I couldn't pass this up. It was just beautiful. Okay. And the next thing I got, again, y'all know my husband is great at finding deals. He found this Prismacolor mixed media set. It was regularly $160, marked down to $39.99. And this was in the locked up case in where the model section was. And it comes with, let's see, 48 softcore colored pencils, 12 verithin, 12 watercolor, 1 sharpener, and 6 of the art sticks. So that's a very good deal. But again, $159.99 down to $39.99. I also picked up a Remnant, a fabric Remnant piece. I thought this would be very pretty on a journal. This is a 1/3 of a yard, and it's $3.99 for that. And I picked up these feathers, fancy feathers. And these flowers here for a journal that I'm working on currently. Sorry about that glare, guys. Here's the feathers here. It's got orange and blues and green in it. And these were 50% off. The feathers were not, but the paper flowers are. Because by the Paper Studio. So I got that one half price. And this one half price. And I got these to go into a journal that I'm working on. If you saw my other video for Tuesday morning, you saw I hauled some of the Graphic 45 Midnight Masquerade, and so these are to go on this journal here. So I'm still playing around with exactly what I want to do, but anyway, those are for that journal. And then I just got a thing of charms, numbers, for $1.49, regularly $5.99. This is back on the clearance wall. I thought that was cute. And then over in the fabric section, clearance, I just got a little finger protector, thimble. Okay, well that's going to get me for the Hobby Lobby haul. If you're interested in the paper, you know, today's the last day of the sale. So hurry out to you, Hobby Lobby. Take care, guys. Like and subscribe. Bye.